Cash and Fallon have the cutest puppies, so I decided to put together a little video of some of them. This was their first litter together. They were just beginning to learn how to walk and just starting to bark. This is just Fallon in there with them, giving them some extra love, cleaning them up while they're nursing. Hello, little puppies. They love to greet you right on the edge of their whelping box and tried to jump over at times. That means it's time to leave the whelping box. As they grow, the outside is quite an adventure. As you can tell, she was still a little scared and did not want to leave my side. This little guy was the runt of the litter, but it never stopped him. But the stairs were quite scary for him. This is their group picture. Moving on to Cash and Fallon's second litter. This was the day this little baby was born. Here we were trying to take photos, but we ended up taking some videos because they were just too cute. This little girl was the sweetest. She always expected kisses and hugs and all the attention whenever we were around. Here's some outside playtime. Just chewing shoes and puppies, checking out all the stuff around them, finding new stuff to get into. And here's their group photo. And now on to Cash and Fallon's third litter. This litter was a little different. I had some health issues, and I did not get any videos of them. They were still super sweet, super cute, and super fun. We still managed to go outside and have lots of fun together. We also didn't get a group picture together, but we still managed to get lots of solo photos. This is Cash and Fallon's fourth litter. She had this litter while we were gone at a graduation, all by herself. As you can tell in this video, we had a runt in this litter. She's very small compared to the others. Sometimes that happens when you have a litter of 11 puppies. And here's their group photo. Fallon is due on December 18th with her next litter of puppies. This will be her last litter of puppies. Here are just some photos of pictures of puppies that she's had throughout the years. Her and Cash make beautiful puppies. They have great temperaments, well behaved, They've also had many hunters come through their line also. I have never received anything but great compliments on their puppies. As soon as the puppies arrive, we will of course post updates and keep everyone posted on their growth and development.